Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering on the Ps4 and signing into your main user. This gets the system ready to change network settings. Once done, go to Settings Network Setup Internet Connection. Make sure you have the Wi-Fi SSID and password at hand because the on-screen steps will prompt you for them. You should also verify the router is broadcasting on 4 GHz or 5 GHz and is within a few meters so the console can detect it reliably. You will select Use Wi-Fi and then choose Easy so the Ps4 scans for nearby networks automatically. When your SSID appears, select it and carefully enter the password using the controller. Passwords are case-sensitive, so watch capitalization. After entering the passphrase, the system saves the connection and prompts you to test internet connection. Run that test to confirm IP address, DNS, and NAT type are acquired. If test succeeds, you finish by confirming the Ps4 remains connected and that automatic updates or game downloads proceed. If the connection fails, first reboot both the Ps4 and router and retry. This clears temporary network conflicts. If problems persist, set up manual IP and DNS values or try switching to the routers too. 4 GHz band for better indoor range. Finally, make sure NAT type is acceptable for multiplayer. If you need lower latency, configure port forwarding on the router to optimize PlayStation network traffic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.